Alright guys, this is Johan Vitella. I'm doing my friend Jose's bike check since he doesn't know a crap ton about his bike. Alright, so we're starting off from the top and going down to the bottom. So what he got on top is some ODI grips. I mean, I like ODI grips. He loves them. He's a faggot for them. But like, thing is they're soft. They're soft, but they're short. Has some Eastern 9 rise bars, 26 wide. Love these forks. I mean, not forks, handlebars. Got GT stem. It's the old stem. Very nice. Standard headset with unsealed, but has a shadow cap on it. GT forks. Very better forks than he got last time. Show them your forks. No bearings. He got going on to the we do the wheel set and the frame last. Going on to the seat, he got the ramp seat. Nicest seat he ever had. The same. Ramp seat post, Walmart. Seat clamp, right? He got some stock cranks 175. It's better than his old cranks. His old cranks were like fucking 4 pounds. 4 pounds. We just built up his bike though, huh?
Yeah.
Eastern bottom bracket, 36 tooth sprocket, Walmart sprocket. We had to put an extra spacer in there because it was hitting the frame. Tires are Walmart. I mean, they're bad. They're really bad. Even he says they're bad. Alright, going on to the wheel set. Walmart wheel set. He's thinking about changing it up though. Frame is a stolen casino frame, 20.5, 13.2 back end, 74 degree headset, 71 degree this. Alright, so